Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. Today we'll be discussing how to add videos to your Watch Later playlist on YouTube on Android. Adding videos to your Watch Later playlist is a great way to keep track of videos that you want to watch later. To get started, while watching a video, tap on the Save icon. This usually saves the video to your Watch Later playlist automatically. However, if it doesn't, don't worry. You can still add it to your Watch Later playlist by following these simple steps. Tap on the Save icon, and if the video doesn't save to your Watch Later playlist automatically, tap on Change. This will open up your playlists, and you can select Watch Later from the list of available playlists. And that's it! The video will now be added to your Watch Later playlist. You can access the Watch Later playlist anytime by tapping on the Library tab on the YouTube app and selecting Watch Later from the list of playlists. It's important to note that you can also create your own custom playlists and add videos to them. This is a great way to organize your content and keep track of videos that you want to watch later. To create a custom playlist, go to the Library tab on the YouTube app and select New Playlist. Give your playlist a name and description, and then start adding videos to it. You can add videos by tapping on the Save the icon while watching a video and selecting your custom playlist from the list of available playlists. In addition to creating custom playlists, you can also share your playlists with others. This is a great way to share your favorite videos with friends and family. So, that's it for today's tutorial. We hope this video has helped you learn how to add videos to your Watch Later playlist on YouTube on Android. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorial videos, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.